Time to go to the shamba. Topika. Nice. Hey, good morning, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Claude Joseph. In case you're new here, please kindly subscribe, like, share, and leave us a comment. On today's video is a special video, guys. I'm shooting this video coming live and clear from my beautiful home here in Kenya, Africa. And this morning is a very fine morning, actually. Yesterday I was doing some work, very heavy work, but I never just documented it because it was very I was very busy and it was a hectic work. So though I never documented it, but today I'll make sure I have documented it down. With me here I have some seedlings which I wanna do some very nice great planting, because and also give much thanks to Almighty God. Yesterday it was drizzling. That's a good sign of what we call like raining. And this is our carrots. The carrots have really done well. They have sprout out, and that's what you see all around. The capsicums still not yet, or the sweet pepper haven't yet, but anyway, whatever will come out, we will sort out with it. So this day today I'll be sharing with you the big progress of what we call like watermelon farming, because most people have been asking me, CJ, how did you manage to do what you call like to plant your watermelons? How did you manage until they grew up? So right now today I'm going to share with you very great tips about watermelon planting or watermelon growing. So watch this video till the end. Subscribe if you haven't. Show some love by commenting down below, and I would really appreciate your love and support. So this video being our typical village. This is if you see these leaves, guys, can you tell me what kind of a fruit is this? With us we call it coconut, because this fruit looks like a coconut. The other day I harvested this. This was a banana, harvested it. On this other end we have some languats also, and all the way over this side it's fruits. This is pomegranate, the pomegranate fruits all the way. Yeah, so today I'll be sharing with you the tips of planting our watermelons. That's what you see what we did yesterday. A lot of work. It was a lot of work. This is actually we can regard it as an 1 acre. So look, you are doing some furrows, trying to clean up all the way downwards. So let's go back, not home but in the house, because I wanna fetch some water and mix it with seeds just to break some seed dormancy. Because over here if you watch some videos or if you watch some farmers, they tell you the biggest challenge is to kill the seed dormancy. But with me, I'll also share with you how I prepare this. There's some medicine that you have to mix with this so that the seeds cannot be eaten by any maybe termites or other stuff. So watch this video to the end, and also let me know in the comment section what do you think about this video. Have you ever grown watermelons, or what are the best tips to plant this kind of watermelons? Listen behind me. I told you this is a small forest. There's a small forest here with us that always, this one, and it also have some indigenous trees inside. So the birds always make a lot of noise in here. Wow, I've seen a guava here. Let me see. Oh, it's like a small guava. It has already ripened. It's out of reach for children. It's like a small guava that has ripened up. Oh my god, look. Don't mind about my nail. This is work. I was working when I was preparing this fence, the way you see it over here, and I knocked my nail or my finger with a hammer. Wow, early morning, man. And it's 5. Mm-hmm. Very ripe and very, very sweet. Wow. Our beautiful compound. What a blessing, guys. We wake up in the morning and you're just chilling on this calm green environment, birds singing melodious songs, different songs, not just one song but different songs. You are here to witness them, and your work is to just plant fruits and indigenous trees so that they can not go away. So our gate have already been opened because kids are going to school all the way. Our kales are our kales are somehow affected, but I'll just try to manage them because there's this kind of a disease. Let me show you. These are not chicken. It's kind of a vegetable disease over here. So like this one. So this one needs a serious spraying. You see? This needs a serious spraying of chemical so that can kill this. And over here in this land we have a mixture of kales. Like this one, it's kinda. Sorry guys, there's somebody there who wants to wave to you. Hey, Madam Boss. Where to? School? Say hi. Hey, Shan, say hi. Oh, hi guys. I'm just trying to show them there's a kind of a disease that is disturbing these kales. And I came to realize there are two different varieties of kales here. Yeah, we have these ones that is 1,000-headed. And we have the other one that is just seasonal. Yeah, so like this one is seasonal. This one, in 3 months or 4 months, it will die. Yeah, it will die. But like this one is 1,000-headed. It will grow. It can serve you for even 6-7 years, or even your whole generation. Yeah, so that's what I'm trying to show them. If maybe, yeah, they're insects. They're insects, not pests. No, insecticides. Yeah. So I have to do some spray of some chemicals so that they cannot affect these other kills. So you see, like this one, guys. I told you it's 1,000-headed. You see, they have been doing what we call like. Let me show you. They have been doing what we call like plucking some leaves from here, from deep down. But you see, it's still going up, and it's very.
Can you do me a favor?
Which favor?
Please help me open the gate properly. It's not
Yeah, you need favors every time. You want me to be a gatekeeper? Okay, today I'm becoming a gatekeeper. So she wants. But the space is very big. Come on, man. The gate is so big. You can pass there and then you go. But the gate is wide open. No, this one is okay. Hey, Jesus Christ. I'll have to train you one day to maneuver here.
Train me.
I'll train you.
Okay.
What if some days you go in town and you find that cars are just like this?
I'll pass. Only that I'm always afraid of this gate. It goes. Sometimes
It's swing.
It swings. Yes. So it can knock this machine.
Back to school, Daddy.
This German machine.
Yeah. You wish. You continue with this okay. Oh, you are okay. But you're German machine. Come on,
anyway, guys. Thank you so much. Subscribe to Claude Joseph. Road to 1 million subscribers. Today is a big day. We're going to have something we're going to do. I don't know if you've told them already. Have you?
Yeah, I have them here.
Okay, yeah. We're planting watermelons back here at home, and we are thankful that at least we had a bit of rain. So we are so excited and happy. And also at the other farm, like our maize were like a bit struggling without the rain. But now with the rain, I think they're going to blossom and they're going to come out perfectly. So I can't wait to go there after dropping Ashian to school, then I'll be heading to the farm to see what's going on.
Oh, guys, have you ever seen something? A dog is grazing. A dog eating grass.
That dog's name is Mr. Sude.
Sude?
Yeah.
Okay, take the kid to school.
Okay, see you in a
bye,
bit.
bye, baby. Yeah. Yes, they are going. So I was telling you that we have different varieties of kales around here, and those kind of kales, we have 1,000-headed, the one that you can pluck until 1,000. Even they just exceed 1,000 head, you know. So, but they also have some that just, as I showed you, they're just different. So anyway, our big goal today is to do some planting of these ones. So I want to show you about how to do it, and we'll continue. So it's better for me to start doing it right now when it's not when the sun is not much strong, and we can proceed. I was trying to look for something there. So yeah, are you ready to see the melon planting? So be ready with me. Okay, see you right now at the farm. So guys, there's something I want to show you here. There's this it's called a growing hormone. It's called Mratino. So this Mratino really helps us to do what we call like to do seed dressing. So, and also we have these ones. These ones are melon. They're melon and a watermelon, I think. I guess so. Their germination is 94%, and the purity is 100%. So with me, I want to make a 95% of germination, because when they tell you 94, which means it's not all melons that are going to grow. So, but with me, I want to do maybe even 100% germination of what we call like these seedlings. So I want to do some mix up of let me show you. Don't mind me, guys, I'm doing some stuff here, trying to fix my camera. So I want to do some mix up of this. Let me show you something. I have to cut this, don't mind my panga. Split it into two. So there are seedlings in here. There's some seedlings, very few. It looks big, but very few seeds. Big and few seeds. So I have to mix them in here. I'm not sure even these seeds if they are going to finish that land. But let me check. Oh man, the seedlings have fallen down. As a farmer, don't make a big mistake of leaving any seed down, you know. Pick everything, because that one seed will just help you somewhere. So after you have picked all your seeds, you take your Mratino, all the seed dressing hormone, and you just tie a little. You tear a little bit of it. That's why you see me with a glove. Hey, this one, it's hard. Don't mind my machete. My machete, it's a long time. So after you have cut that your Mratino a little bit, just add with water. Add it to the seedlings, just kidogo, and add your water. Add your water just like this. This is what I'm showing you here. I don't want any seed to go down. There's something here that wants to. So you see, like this, you just mix it them well. This also will help in seed dormancy, to break the seed dormancy. You mix them just like that, and you make sure that your seedlings or your seeds are not left any, you haven't left any seed down. So it's time for us to go do some planting because our seeds are ready, just like that. There are those who really do what we call like soak these seeds. They soak the seeds for 24 hours with warm water, which also it's recommendable for what we call like planting. But with me, you can add your Muratino super to your seedlings, and you continue doing that. So let's go to the farm right now. Okay, see you at the farm. I failed to tell you the function of this. It's a seed treatment insecticide and fungicide mixture for control of downy mildew, dumping of as well as a soil and a season insect pest. In Swahili they say dawa ya vumbi inayokinga mbegu za mahindi, njugu, karanga na nafaka zingine kutokana na aina za wadudu na ukungu. So this one will help in what we call like cold and some pesticides. So yeah, let's go to the farm, guys, right now. My brother improvised this. So I told you this thing was broken the other day. So you saw what he did. He improvised it with a long life coolant bottle. So now it's working. Hey, this guy with his mind. Hey, I thought this thing have completely broken, but with him we improvised it. You recycled it. Ah, okay, that's my brother, guys. So with me, man, wacha nifike shambani. So just like this. And you know, at our neighbor also there's a funeral ceremony, so that's why you hear some big music. So with me right here, but the body will be buried on Tuesday. So yeah, let's do this. So you see our land. So these are what we call like furrows. This is what we did. We see on them, and they're all the way deep down. Let me show you something. You're all the way deep down. Look, all the way deep down. So we may have to start planting this. I'm not sure if there will be enough, but let me try and see. So they're all the way downwards. There are 24 furrows. So let's try to start planting them. And you see down here, when it rains, the water will clog around here, just to create a water table, a very nice water table. So let us start planting from down up here, then we continue. Okay, yeah, so let's do some planting. This is what you see. One seed that you grow. Heavy music will give me a copyright. Was planting, so I liked some seedlings because the seedlings that I planted were 50 grams, and they just made me to reach at the middle, so I have to go for more seedlings. I lacked some seeds, so I want to take my motorbike, rush to the town, to the agrovet, and buy some more seeds so that I can come and complete. Because if you have to plant them at the same day so that you can have the great records, the day that they were planted to the day of harvest. If you leave them, so they'll just do what we call like alternate the days. So you better plant them at the same day so that you have the great farm record on what is going on. So yeah, let me my motorbike, then we rush to town to the aggrovate, and I'll be showing you how stuffs are. Okay, yeah guys, I was doing some planting. Look what I've planted. Oh man, my medicine is just, oh no, come on. This one is more expensive even than seeds. So I have to keep it very well, and a place which is a little bit, so I've just kept it well. So at first I bought these kind of seedlings. They were 50 grams. This one, the best in Africa. So I've already bought again 2, but they are not even enough. Let me show you what I've planted. Let me show you how many farrows or I've planted. This is 1, 2. I've planted 3 over here. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So the remaining ones I'll just buy again, maybe 20 grams, and I'll just finish them. So the reason why I'm not going to make this video long is because of the music, the funeral ceremony at the neighbor's home right here, and also what we call like a fundraising day for the deceased family. So yeah, so I want to say thank you so much guys. I really appreciate your love and support. Be blessed, and also feel free to subscribe, like, share, and leave a sweet comment. Wish me all the best on this farming, and everything will be really much okay. Also let me know in the comment section, how do you plant your seeds, or how do you do your farming on the other side. So I want to pick my stuffs and rush home and see what's happening. So we're just only waiting for rain, and that's what you see, you know, the clean land preparation. Very clean, very clean. With watermelons, you need a very clean and clear land, because they need very soft, fertile, loamy soil, you know. So thank you so much. Be blessed. Feel free to subscribe, like, share, and leave us a comment. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this, and may Almighty God bless you abundantly. And yeah, so through that, it's not easy. It's not an easy task, but we're managing it. Thank you so much. Be blessed, and bye bye guys from this side. Bye. Love you.